terrible for doing this. Oh my god.
How can I be so dumb?
I sound like some washing machine now. Hey guys, I'm Shrutika Sain and welcome back to my channel. So today we are in my kitchen and we are going to cook. I am going to make cheesy baked pasta while I answer your truth and dare questions that you guys asked me on my Instagram. So without any further ado, let's move on to the video. Start by boiling your pasta. Add some salt to the water, pour in some olive oil and then put in your pasta. So by the time this boils, I'm going to answer a few dares and truth questions that you guys sent me on my Instagram page. So let's go. Tie your shoelace to each other and hop for like 10 steps. We can do that.
Better run faster than my
So the next one is also a dare. They asked me to sing Soft Kitty. Go watch my Reading My Secret Diary video. You guys will see how amazing I sing. Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur. Happy kitty, sweetie kitty, purr, purr, purr. On a scale of 1 to 10, how attractive do you think you are? 1 to 10 is a very short scale. So I think I'll be somewhere between minus 0.25 and minus 0.15. Have 4 green chilies and a cup of hot water immediately. So by the time we eat the chilies and drink the hot water, the pasta will be done. At least one good thing. I think our pasta is done. Now we just have to strain the water. I'm going to be answering some truth questions while I grate the cheese for my white sauce. We will be using a lot of cheese in this recipe, so if you guys don't like cheese, then please don't watch this video. Or if you guys want to watch me suffer, please watch this video. Ever caught by the police for being cute?
Next question, not answering this.
Can you touch your nose with your tongue? No, I can't. I can try, but then I can't do it. Once we finish grating our cheese, we can start making the white sauce. Pour in 2 cups of milk, 2.5 tablespoons of maida, 1.5 tablespoons of butter, add some salt, chili flakes, oregano, and stir it on medium flame. Now add your cheese and keep stirring till it becomes thick. So we are now going to cut some mushrooms. You can also substitute the mushrooms with chicken, but there's no chicken in my house right now. So I'm going to answer a few truth or dare questions while I cut the mushrooms. Are you beauty? No, I'm Shrutika Sayon. Sorry for the mock. ஒரு தமிழ் சாங் பாடணும். ஓகே, நிறைய பேர் நீ பாட சொல்லி கேக்குறீங்க. சரி பாடலாம். சர சர சார பாத்து no sorry restart again. சர சர சார காத்து வீசும்போது சார பார்த்து பேசும்போது சார பாம்பு போல நெஞ்சு சத்தம் போடுது சத்த எழுதி சார மூச்சு உட்பட நீங்க இதுவரைக்கும் ஸ்டேஜ்ல டான்ஸ் ஆடி அசிங்கப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? கன்ஃபார்மா சொல்லணும். கண்டிப்பா நான் அசிங்கப்பட்டிருக்கேன். because I started dancing when I was 5 years old. I started with Bharatanatyam. I was a classical dancer for 8 years and then அதுக்கப்புறம் I started doing western dance. இந்த span of timeல கண்டிப்பா நான் நிறைய டைம் அசிங்கப்பட்டிருக்கேன். Once your mushroom is chopped, we can start cooking them. Pour in some olive oil and then some cumin seeds and wait for 2 minutes. Now you can add your mushroom and keep stirring for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then add your spices. Some chili powder, garam masala, chili flakes, some salt, and then mix. You can add in some vegetables as well. Keep it on low flame till the mushroom gets cooked. This is an optional step. You can actually just use ketchup. Here I'm using some pasta sauce and then some green chili sauce and then some red chili sauce, and finally some ketchup, and then mix, and you're done. I feel terrible, guys. I feel terrible for doing this. Oh my god.
How can I be so dumb?
I literally forgot to record the main part. So basically you have to layer everything. First put the white sauce, then put the pasta, then put the mushrooms, then put the red sauce, then அப்படியே layer பண்ணிட்டே போகணும், and then you will get this beautiful mess. So I put the pasta inside a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. So in that time I am going to be answering your dares. Let's go. Drink a teaspoon of vinegar. Put on 10 tops at once. Try doing 10 push-ups. I am very bad at push-ups because இந்த கை நான் வந்து 2 தடவை உடைச்சிருக்கேன். But I will try. Dance with a mop. Did you guys hear that? Did you guys hear that? Ready, but I will still be answering your dares. Yeah, so dance with a mop. I did not find a mop, so I'm going to be dancing with this broomstick. Okay, so the next one is to eat a raw egg. I'm literally eating the world's best pasta.
And you guys want me to eat a raw egg?
Dare, do a balti. I can do kutti karnam. Actually, I did a backflip once and then I landed on my head. Anyways, but I can do kutti karnam. I dare you to prank call your crush. If no crush, then your boy best friend. Okay, I have no crush, but then I have a lot of best friends as boys. Actually, I can call my friend who gave me the dare. He's also one of my best friends. We'll go prank call him. Hello. Hello. Yeah, can you hear me? You gave me the dare, no.
When did I give you a dare?
You told me to drink that vinegar, no.
Oh, ama. Dare.
I drank that and my throat is burning. I sound like some washing machine now. Oh my god.
I know.
Anyways, how are you doing? How was my prank call? You believed, no?
Need for video country.
Yeah, I'm shooting now. You're there on live on camera.
Huh?
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Dare you to recreate any scene from Game of Thrones as Arya Stark. I've actually done one. I'll insert it right here. You guys can watch it.
My name is Arya Stark. I want you to know that. The last thing you're ever going to see is a Stark smiling down at you as you die.
Most weird thing you did in public places or draw an emoji on your face with red lipstick. The thing is, I broke my red lipstick, so is it okay if I draw with the shade? This was supposed to be a monkey. Dad, pour coffee on your head. Please ignore the messy sink. I had had a lot of fun doing all the dares and answering to all the truth questions. Also, if you guys tried my recipe out, then make sure to tag me on my Instagram so that I can repost it on my story. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll get updated whenever I post a new video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!